Hello friends, welcome to our channel Inhouse ERP. Today in this video I am going to show you how to allot one number to different users or principal investigator on same project allotted to them in IFMS Portal. So before start this video, please do share, subscribe and like our channel to support us. So let us see. We are in user or faculty panel, that is principal investigator. Click here, create project, another create project. Now you see select if GP number already allotted or old project. Click the checkbox. Select GP grant project और ये नंबर है, like in our case 25. The main point is if we have 25 faculty members or principal investigator and project is one, like RSM research seed money grant for their research work, that is allotted to research committee of the government institution for 2 years. So project is one, but project taker is 25. So we allowed only single number to manage this project, that is in our case 25 and in your case is Barry, but number is 1 and the rest columns you know. I am putting the raw data test and upload the sanction letter approved by competent authority of your institution. This functionality is only in case of old project number you want to give, or in this case this is our already created project, like 25 number, that is RSM. This is sanctioned amount and released amount. This is sanction head, how much amount given in this project to you in different heads: equipment, contingency, consumable. And this is sanction letter given to you by the competent authority, like in this case 4 faculty members has given one project, that is RSM research seed money for their research work. Now I become in administrator panel. I show you how one project, that is RSM, shown in administrator panel, or how we manage this project by giving single number. So let's see. You see these are the faculty members and project number is 1, there is 25. So system map the faculty ID be this number automatically. You see, one number is given to different faculty members. This easy out the management of this RSM project. Now I show you the one faculty data. This see. So friends, we see how to allot one number to different users. So please do share, subscribe and like my channel. If you have any suggestion or opinion, so please post in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.